In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove cursor in Bluestacks. If your mouse pointer seems to vanish the second you click inside a game, don't worry, this is a common quirk. What's happening is that Bluestacks has enabled something called mouse lock, also known as shooting mode. It's designed for shooter-style games to capture your mouse and turn movement into camera control, which is great for aiming, but it hides your cursor while the mode is on. The fix is simply to turn that mode off when you need your pointer back. Start by opening your game in Bluestacks, the same game where the cursor disappears. Keep that game window active so your keyboard shortcuts apply to it. Now, press F1 or press F6. Which key works depends on your key mapping profile. In most setups, F1 is the toggle for shooting mode, but some games or older control schemes use F6 instead. Tap the key once and give it a second. You may notice a small on-screen notification that shooting mode is disabled, or you'll just see your pointer return. If neither F1 nor F6 seems to respond, press Ctrl plus Shift plus F8. This shortcut also toggles the mouse lock and is a reliable fallback across many versions of Bluestacks. Again, just press it once while the game is in focus. At this point, your cursor should reappear normally. Move the mouse to confirm you can see the pointer and interact with menus. If the cursor disappears again when you click back into the game world, that means shooting mode turned itself on for aiming. Simply use the same key you press to switch it off again whenever you need to navigate. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Make sure the Bluestacks window is selected. These shortcuts won't work if another app has focus. On some laptops, function keys control brightness or volume by default, so you may need to hold the FN key when pressing F1 or F6, or toggle your function lock. And if you've customized your key mapping, your toggle might be different, but F1, F6, and Ctrl plus Shift plus F8 are the most common defaults. That's all there is to it. Exiting mouse lock or shooting mode is the most common and fastest fix for a missing cursor in Bluestacks. Open your game, press F1 or F6, or use Ctrl plus Shift plus F8, and your pointer will be back right away.